Hi everyone, if your Spectrum Mobile MMS isn't working, we have got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through some easy steps to troubleshoot and fix MMS issues so you can start sending and receiving multimedia messages again. Let's dive in. Network issues on Verizon's network can disrupt MMS services for Spectrum Mobile users. Incorrectly configured MMS settings can hinder the ability to send or receive multimedia messages. Corrupted or bloated cache memory in the messaging app can cause issues with MMS. Outstanding account issues like unpaid bills can restrict MMS capabilities on Spectrum Mobile. Fix 1. Check server status. Make sure have a good network coverage in your area. Go to Spectrum coverage page. The link is given in the description. You can directly go through it. Then click View Map, enter your address and click Search button. See the coverage in your area. Restart your device. Restarting an Android or iOS device can clear its memory, fix minor issues like crashing apps, and provide a quick solution to various problems. Restarting on Android device. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap on Restart or Reboot. If you don't see this option, you may need to select Power Off and then turn it back on by pressing the power button again. Restarting iOS. Press and hold the volume down button and the slide button simultaneously until the power off sliders appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device. Press and hold the slide button again until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Fix 3. Check mobile data. Unlike regular SMS text messages, MMS messages that contain images, videos or large files cannot be sent or received without an active data connection. Enabling mobile data allows your device to connect to the MMS servers. Swipe down your quick settings and toggle on mobile data icon or Wi-Fi if you are not using mobile data. Check account status. Ensure your plan is not expired. Sign in to your Spectrum account. Go to Services if you have multiple services. Choose your mobile, then select a device. Click on View Plans. If necessary, recharge it. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings will erase all network configurations. After resetting, you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi network and repair Bluetooth devices. For iOS, tap on Settings, go to General, scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset, then Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your device's passcode. For Android, go to the Settings, then System, then go to Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi Mobile and Bluetooth. Fix 6. Enable low quality mode. Some older devices or networks may not handle full resolution MMS images well. Enabling low quality mode ensures images are viewable. For Android, open the Messages app and tap the three-dot menu in the top right. Select Settings, then Advanced, then go to Group Messaging. Toggle on low quality image mode. This will receive MMS images at a low resolution to save data. On iOS iPhone, go to Settings, then Messages, scroll down and toggle on Low Quality Image Mode under the MMS messaging section. Fix 7. Clear cache memory. Corrupted or bloated cache can cause issues with sending or receiving messages. Clearing the cache can help reset the app functionality. Clear app cache on iOS. Go to Settings, then General, then go to iPhone Storage, find the Messages app and tap on it. Tap Official app to clear some cache without losing data or delete app to remove it completely. You will lose all message data. Deleting message cache on Android. Open Settings, tap on App or Application, find and select the Messages app. Tap on Storage, select Clear cache. If issues persist, you can also tap Clear data, but this will delete your message history. Contact customer support. Dial 833-224-6603 to reach Spectrum Mobile Customer Service for assistance with activation issues. Be ready to share relevant information including your phone model, IMEI number, SIM card number and your account details like name, address and phone number. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.